Now we're going to go ahead and start creating our paths. If you don't have the path window open, go to Window, Paths, and you can see I closed mine. So once again, Window, Paths. And as we create our paths, we'll see them show up in the Path window and in the Layers window. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with our top. I'm going to click on A and then B. And I have a straight line. And you can see that in the path window, it says path shape path and shape 1. Make sure to press return and it'll close your path. Now if I didn't do that, let's see what happened. So I have to make sure to have the path selected. So I'm going to select A, B, and I'm going to jump over here to the other side and B again. So make sure that after your path is selected, and then go ahead and put that in the trash, and P for path, so A, B, and then hit the return key.